Greetings viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Eddy Vision. Now we're all aware that the Reggae Boyz were trapped in Suriname. Yes, trapped in Suriname. Simply because the JFF failed to make the proper flight arrangements. Can you believe it? Anyway, the Reggae Boyz had to come together, write a letter to the Minister of Sports, Honorable Babsy Grange, seeking help to get out of Suriname, because the JFF could not get them out on time to meet the deadline to play the game on Tuesday. The letter was sent. Luckily, I have a copy of that letter. So the letter reads, "Dear Honorable Minister, as you are aware, the Jamaica national football delegation is now in Suriname for a match against the country's team as a part of the Nations Cup regional competition. As you are further aware, the delegation is at risk of being stranded in Suriname as a result of cancellation of previous flight arrangements. The mail below is from an outfit that has been contacted to arrange a charter to get the delegation from Suriname to Jamaica in time for another scheduled match in Jamaica on Tuesday evening, June 7, 2022. The initial flight arrangements had the delegation traveling back to Jamaica via Trinidad. This arrangement has been cancelled and the team is unable to get back to Jamaica in time unless there is a direct charter. The new arrangement requires collaboration between your ministry as well as the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and also from the delegation in Suriname. The requirements are set out in the mail. I have included the directors of the SDF in this mail as well as the leadership of the Federation, as there is a role for all. With regard to financing of the charter, based on discussions between you, Permanent Secretary Tharp, President Michael Ricketts, and it is understood that the JFF is able to finance approximately $50,000 US of the quoted cost, with the balance being sought from the government. It is my understanding that Permanent Secretary Tharp and you will address the landing facilitation in Suriname and Panama for refueling, and the President and his team will assist with the landing arrangements in Suriname. We will continue to communicate by this and other means as we seek to get over this hurdle." So there you have it, fans. Jamaica Reggae Boyz, led by Leon Chippy Bailey, had to seek help from the government to get out of that sticky situation in Suriname. As this video is being recorded, Suriname is in Jamaica while Jamaica is in Suriname. Funny. I understand that the Jamaicans will be arriving Monday morning early, so not a lot of time for them to get prepared for the game on Tuesday. But that's JFF for us. It's not a must-win game, and we're already behind the 8 ball. So fans, let me know in the comment section what you thought about this letter. What are your thoughts on the JFF on a whole? How they dropped the ball on this situation? Leave all the comments in the comment section below. Always remember, like, share, and subscribe.